Hello everyone, my name is Cap and welcome back to the channel. Got my best buddy here with me again, doing another snack crate unboxing here. I really do enjoy these and always appreciate all the feedback we get on these on the videos and on the channel stuff. It's been a lot of fun doing these. I look forward to doing some more of them. So, without further ado, let's get this bad boy opened. Roll that B footage. So let's open this up and see where we've got today. Colombia. Now I don't know a whole lot about this. I know that coffee comes from Colombia and I'm a big fan of that. I want to read up on this here. Capital is Botaga. Nice. Alright. Botaga. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We got some stickers, got the standard snack crate thing. Again, not sponsored. You play the stickers? Alright, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. This is a much bigger box than the norm and stuff, so either there's a whole lot of stuff in here or everything in it is huge. Ooh.
Here you go. You can be a lady for now.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Alright, let's see what we got here to start with.
Oh, that's so cute.
Con caramelo horneados. What are these? These are light and crispy corn puffs flavored with sweet caramel. Nice, the Colombian mix of flavors. Awesome. What are these? Plantain chips, plantanitos. What are these? Crispy and lightly sweet plantain chips. They're a staple throughout Colombia. Nice. What you got? Oh, you got packing.
I gotta smash it. Akira's Davula.
That's probably not too far off. Check that out. What are these things? Cheese-flavored crackers made from Akira, a native plant that grows at high altitudes in the Andes region. Nice.
Andes region.
Yeah, that's my region. Chocoramo.
Chocoramo.
That looks like soft fudge. It feels like soft fudge. What is this? Sweet pound cake covered milk chocolate. Oh yeah, I like pound cake.
Pizza. They're like pizza rolls.
Pizza? Piazza.
Piazza. It looks like
Piazza Fresa a Vanilla. Well, see how close that is. Crisp wafers rolled with a sweet cream and got a strawberry and vanilla flavor.
That is nothing like pizza.
Piazza. So we got that strawberry, that's the vanilla ones. Nice.
I'll be having the vanilla ones.
What flavor is the drink we got this month? It usually has like an orange kind of going along with it. It is similar to cream soda, added flavor of cola.
Cola?
Cream soda. Okay, so it's kind of like the butter beer from Harry Potter. That's what's cream
Butter
soda.
beer.
Harry Potter? Yeah. What are these? Tocineta? Bacon chips.
Tocineta.
Bacon chips. Looks like it's got some lime mixed in there too.
Oh, I am buying something amazing.
What?
Look at these.
What are those?
They're amazingness. That's what they are.
What?
Look, there's
Let me see what they're so they can see what they're.
Bancha bars.
Bianchi?
That's what
Bianchi?
one of them looks like.
Bianchi. Milk chocolate bar filled with peanuts and rich caramel.
I'm excited for these two. This one and the Jet.
Jet. Rich milk chocolate bar. Colombian favorite. Each bar comes with a collectible sticker. Ooh, we got like 3 of those, right?
This Jet thing looks beautiful.
Alright, let's see. We got Bianchi wafers. I like wafer-based cookies. Always been a big fan of these. Milk chocolate bar filled with peanuts and rich caramel. I think I'm looking wrong. Yeah. Crunchy wafer sandwiched together with chocolate filling and then dipped in rich chocolate. That's a lot of chocolate. So hang on to that. Alright, we got a bit here. Manimoto? Is that how they're pronounced? Where is that at? Manimoto. Salt roasted peanuts covered in hard shell made from flour. Oh, nice. I like salt roasted peanuts. There's a lot of food here.
We got
What are those?
Chokis.
Chokis. Bite-sized puffed corn balls covered in milk chocolate.
Ooh, I'll be making
Excellent.
that.
There's a bunch of suckers.
Is
These
it?
are bonbon bums. Bonbon bum. Fruity lollipops with a bubblegum center. Oh, so like blow pops.
I have something you're gonna like.
Okay.
Coffee.
Coffee delights mixed with chocolate famous Colombian coffee flavor. Nice. Are they soft? Not really. They're a little bit crunchy.
I'm gonna have one of these.
Okay.
I'll put 2.
Okay, we'll move the box out of the way.
I have a question.
What's that?
Is There doesn't seem like there's anything sour in here.
Maybe they're not a big fan of the sour tweets in there. Sour tweets? Sour treats. Let's try that with English here. I don't know. If you happen to be Colombian and you're familiar with the snacks, do y'all prefer or do you even like salty stuff? I mean, sweet stuff there? Because it doesn't seem to be in here. So, just kind of generally curious here. Alright, what are we going to try first?
We're going to try this.
That wafer bar? Okay.
Yeah.
Crunchy wafer sandwich.
We can start off everything with chocolate.
Alrighty then.
Those look good also.
These right here?
Yeah.
What are these again? Cheese flavored crackers. I'll open these for the next one. Try that one first. We'll move on to this one here.
I'll get you a bite and we can both have a bite. Ooh, it's already feeling chocolatey. Like it would melt in a split second. I'll take the first bite.
Okay, go for it. Like that crisp sound.
Another bite.
Okay. That's delicious. Very light, very thin, very wafery, if you will. Yeah. That's delicious.
Good for people that are growing teeth, like me.
Alright, you need a drink, wash down the chocolate. These are the cheese flavored crackers made from Akira, a native plant that grows at high altitudes. Cheese flavored crackers. Oh yeah.
What do they taste like before I try it?
A cheese flavored cracker. I don't know. I can't really compare it to anything that I know that it actually.
It tastes like the double cheddar goldfish.
Well, there you have it. He knows more than I do.
I'd try the coffee things.
The coffee thing. Okay. I like coffee. You're not a fan of coffee because you've never really tried it.
I've tried coffee. It's decent.
It's okay. Let's see what you think of this.
I'll try it first this time. So we'll go back on first.
Smells like coffee.
No, I was gonna do it first that time.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. These are very chewy. I have to just suck on this one. It's not real strong Anita flavor. It's like very lightly flavored of coffee, a little bit of cocoa flavor. That's pretty good. You may not be able to chew it. It's pretty thick.
Tastes like coffee without the creamer.
It's like black coffee and a little bit of chocolate mixed in. Not bad. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay. Try these. Strawberry flavor.
I'll try the vanilla.
Okay. We'll try both at the same time. Piazza.
I'll do it first this time.
Alright, I'm not to completely destroy the bag, so I'm putting them back in there with them.
I'm opening them like the chip
Oh, these kind of look like,
They look like dog treats.
like dog treats. I can't remember what they're called. There's Paretti's. I can't remember what they're called. You just have to forgive me. There's a holiday treat that's around. It's pretty common stuff. They kind of look like these. All right, strawberry and you got vanilla. What?
You went first again.
Oh, let's stick it out into it. Oh yeah. Trade. Strawberry's delicious.
Strawberry's my favorite.
Vanilla's delicious too, but yeah, strawberry one is definitely the best. Very nice, very nice.
I like those, and I'm actually not a big fan of strawberry.
It's very good. It is, I can't remember what they're called. They come like a little tin, usually around the holiday. They're a little bit longer. Sometimes they're designed to like dip in your coffee and stuff to go with this. So good. Try Jet Bar, rich milk chocolate. It's a favorite as a fun bonus. Collectible sticker.
I want to see what I get for a sticker. Ooh. Ooh. I get a sticker. Oh, it's an ostrich. I got an ostrich.
I got a bat.
Look, here's
Let's say what kind of, you got information on the back of it?
hashtag ostrich.
Vampire bat. The vampire bat.
I got a Plantain. Hold on. I got a
An emu. You got an emu. Let me see yours again.
I can't read that.
Yeah, well, it's in Spanish. I can't read it. I could read it, but it wouldn't be. Let me see. I got a vampire bat, and you got an emu. Cool. Cool. All right, let's try the chocolate here. Very good.
Like Hershey's.
Alright, what should we try next here? We could try something, try these. Snacky? Con caramelo dorados. What does that mean? I forgot. Where are these at? Oh, corn puffs flavored with sweet caramel. An authentically Colombian mix of flavors. I don't know if I've ever had corn puffs and caramel mixed together. That would be an odd... Ooh, they look like giant cheese puffs. Or pork rinds. They kind of have the consistency of a pork rind.
That makes me nervous.
It's just how it feels.
Oh.
Oh yeah. It tastes like cereal. It tastes like...
I love this. Like.
What is that called? What is that cereal called?
I love these.
Another one? These are delicious. Yeah, it tastes like Reese's Puff cereals almost. Not Reese's, but there's a kind of cereal that we've had before that actually tastes like that. Those are really good. Nice. I'll eat that in just a minute. Alright, what should we try next? Some chunkies?
Well, we can't try this and not try the other one.
Alright, let's just try one bar. Let's not open both of them here. Bianchi Bar. Caramel Money. Milk chocolate bar filled with peanuts and rich caramel. Sweet and savory in every way. Go first. What does that taste like?
I taste like... I don't really taste any caramel.
It's not a real strong caramel flavor. The chocolate's not overwhelming. It tastes like something that's familiar though.
Yeah.
Very good. Very, very good. Really enjoyed that so far.
I keep eyeing my ostrich.
It's an emu.
Ostrich.
Emu! Let's see, do we do the bacon chips with lime flavor? Do we do the Frito-Lay mix? That Manimotos. Where are Manimotos? The Chokies? Ooh, those are little bitty balls. Okay.
We can have like 2 each.
Bite-sized puff corn balls covered in milk chocolate. Here you go.
This one.
They're really easy to chew.
I figured they'd be hard.
Those are really good.
Like, I could eat a whole bag of these in like 10 seconds. That's how easy to chew.
I think Mommy would like those. Those are really good. They're not real strong at all. They're not like super sweet, so you can... It's not like overwhelming in anything. It's really good. I like that. Okay, let's try the bacon chips. Something completely odd and different here. And we'll wrap
Next
it up.
time we do a snack crate video, we need to do the drink. We've never done the drink before.
We did the drink on the very first one, I think, and you didn't like it. Because remember you made a horrible face. Oh, cool. Looks like actual little pieces of bacon. All right, let's see.
It does.
Light and crunchy chips feature a savory taste of bacon with zesty lime. Consistency is kind of like a bugle or a pork rind. It's more lime than bacon flavored though, so it's they're not our favorite. They're not terrible though. Definitely gotta have an acquired taste of this, and I think going back and forth between chocolate and salty and everything definitely kind of throw off the mix too. But not bad, not bad at all. Okay, tell you what, how about we'll go ahead and bust this open and give it a try and see. Here.
I'll open it.
All right, you open it.
These are bigger than normal, I feel like.
I don't honestly know. It might be bigger than normal. Looks like it's a little bit taller. I think standard can size here for a soft drink is like 12 ounces. 12 ounces. Sploosh! And that's 12 ounces. That's the same size. It just looks a little bigger.
I'll try it.
Go for it. Let's see, what did we say it was? Similar cream soda with the added flavor of cola, spelled with a K. It's a favorite of Colombians on hot summer days. Let me do.
Making my mouth fizz, but it doesn't really have a flavor to me.
It tastes like cream soda. That's what it is. It's just a light cream soda flavor. It's room temperature soda, so it's just more carbonated and more bubbly. Okay, well, that pretty much wraps up this week's or this month's Snack Crate video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button down below the video. And be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and click the little bell icon next to it so you get notified of future videos.
Also, be sure to go to snackcrate.com so you can sign up to get your snack crates every month.
And again, not sponsored, he's just giving a thankful plug here. So thank you guys so much for your time. You have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.